I've had it. We're getting rid of the carbon panels on the STI. We're on our way to LA to a junkyard to pick up our new OEM WRX trunk. Now, some of you may hear junkyard and feel a little apprehensive about it, and trust me, I was too until I saw the pictures. This WRX that I'm getting the trunk off of got in a front end collision, which means the trunk is hopefully in good condition. I've already paid for the trunk, which for those of you that are gonna ask was $300, which was, I think, a fair deal. I've just decided the carbon panels are gonna be too much of a headache to go get paint matched, and it's gonna be too expensive realistically for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sell those carbon panels to somebody that actually wants them, and we're going back to OEM panels. I still haven't found OEM World Ride Blue fenders. For some reason, those are really hard to find. I may have to order them brand new. Hopefully we don't, but we'll see. We had an ETA of 305, but now it's saying 318, and all because of the rain that's going on here in Southern California. As soon as water hits the road, it's automatic chaos because nobody here actually knows how to drive. Oh yeah, right there. There we go. That's it. All right, guys, moment of truth. Is the trunk gonna be in good condition? Hopefully it is. This is our new trunk off of a 2019 WRX. On first glance, it did seem that the paint was actually pretty messed up, just because if you guys can tell in the sun, super dusty, especially right here on the actual spoiler. It does need a good, I guess, cleaning, as well as maybe wet sanding and or buffing. Overall, it's in pretty good shape, but there is a little bit of rust in certain spots, like right there where the paint's coming off, but it's honestly not a huge deal. No dings or dents, any random things like that. Very excited to throw this on. Maybe we'll leave the WRX badge on just to trick people. That'd be pretty funny, but hopefully we'll find out a solution for the fenders. And overall, really satisfied. Next order of business, we are finally gonna get rid of this thing. This is the Cobb fuel pressure regulator I was running on my 2017 STI, and finally got a buyer for this after it's been sitting on Facebook Marketplace for the last 2 months. And then of course, you guys know, while we're here in LA, we're stopping at my favorite coffee shop, which is Tierra Mia. They have the bomb horchata frappuccino. And if you're in LA and you've already gone to this coffee shop, of course you know what I'm talking about. Highly recommend if you guys ever go. And of course, with Facebook Marketplace, as always, the guy gives me the address, I go to the address, ends up being the wrong place. It actually is the McDonald's across the way. And instead of dealing with all the traffic that you guys see behind me and in front of me, I'm just gonna take my ass out of the car and walk across the street, and hopefully this guy shows up because he said he's 3 minutes away. We have finally made it to my favorite coffee shop. We are currently in the drive-thru waiting to get our drinks. Now, in the last hour of sitting in traffic, I've had enough time to think about what we're going to do about my fender situation. For whatever reason, it seems that finding good quality World Rally Blue OEM fenders is damn near impossible. I've tried eBay, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, you name it, I've done it. So I think at this point, the game plan is gonna be to buy new OEM fenders, get them paint matched from my local paint guy. He does a really good job. And then as far as the trunk, I did order a new orbital tool as well as some other supplies that we're gonna be needing this weekend because that thing is really filthy. It's gonna need a good buffing as well as a polishing, and we'll be able to take care of that once we get to the house and get that all situated. So we will catch up with you guys in the next day or two, and we'll see you soon. We just picked up our fenders from paint along with the duckbill spoiler and our shark fin antenna. Guys, they came out phenomenal. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Super impressed, and the pricing too was crazy. Unfortunately, those fenders we picked up that night from LA, those white ones, were no good. As soon as they rolled my fenders, the fender got really bacony for whatever reason. So we just said, hey dude, like, you know, I think it's gonna be the best thing to just buy new fenders. So we did, and we got it at his pricing, which was phenomenal, by the way, and all in with paint and brand new OEM fenders from Subaru, $1,000. Can't really beat it. We're now here in the World Ride Blue Subaru graveyard. As you can see, all my parts are here. They're ready to go. We just got a new 15 to 17 OEM grill chilling on the back wall over there. And as you guys know, we're still waiting for the car to come back from fabrication. And once that's complete, then we'll be able to throw on the rest of the parts. And I'm sure the car is gonna look freaking awesome. What an end to a day. We still have a lot of stuff to do at school. We are actually here at SV Body and Paint because we are dropping the car off to see if they can fix this little boo-boo that happened on the fenders. For whatever reason, we're getting issues with the fitment again, even though they are OEM Subaru parts. We are also gonna see if they can do a nice polish on the trunk, just because you guys can see it needs some love, as well as this bottom portion here. Hopefully they can take care of that. But until next time, we'll see you guys in the next one.